Okay, now we're going to do the Sealegend gutter cleaning kit with the attachment on the Ego blower that you see right over here. I'm going to assemble it, and then we're going to clean this piece of gutter section right up here. So you'll just be sitting back and watching me put it together and do it. So let's watch. That's the attachment piece. Now we'll put together the sections for the gutter clean. There's one. There's two. I don't know how much I'm going to need. Probably one more. There's 4 sections, but I'm only going to need 3 for this right here. And just remember, there's one piece that actually attaches to the end of the blower. That's this piece. So this is going to go in next. Now let's clean it out. I think I've gotten this pitched this way, so we're going to blow the debris in that direction. Let's get it on here. Pretty simple. Yeah, we're ready to go. It's that easy. Okay, it's that simple. This is working real well. I'm just going to adjust the camera because as I've been blowing everything down here, it's all going to come out the end. There's going to be a bunch of stuff coming out, which already has, right up in here. There you have it. That's as simple as it gets. And to take it apart, we're just going to lift this off of here, put the pieces back in the box, and that's going to be it. I just have to work on this. This is my first time using it. Yeah, simple enough. Simple and easy. We're all ready to put it away now and use it at a later date, but at least I just wanted to demonstrate this so you know how simple it was. I didn't have any height problems either using it. And all you do is take this off your blower. You just push that button, lift it off, and put your other attachment back on. And this is the original attachment that was on it. Back to business. It's been one of the best tools I've ever bought, and I've been using it for 2 years. And the Sealegend gutter attachment for this makes a real game changer in keeping those gutters free so they don't get clogged up on you. Thanks for watching.